Want to register UAE Pass account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create or register for your UAE account. First thing first, move into Safari. In the address bar, you need to search for UAE Pass sign up. Head over to the very first site. So right here you can see that you cannot directly create an account from website. You will need to install the application on a device. So move ahead to App Store and search for UAE Pass. And then click on Get right over here. Now you have to wait for it to install. Once the app has been installed, tap on Open. Wait for a while for the application to load. Right here, simply choose English. Click on Continue. Tap on Create New Account. Now these are the steps you need to do in order for you to create an account. First thing first, you need to scan your identity. Once done, you need to verify your details, review your information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After that, for the security of your account, you will need to verify with the face and also set up a new PIN for your account. So click on Continue. Toggle on this button and tap on Accept the terms and conditions. In the first place, you have to choose whether you are a citizen or resident or the visitor. Let me choose visitor for now. After that, you have to select your ID. Let me choose passport for now. Now you have to scan your passport. Tap on Scan Now. After that, the scanner camera will open. You have to scan your passport. After that, follow the on-screen process. Verify your identity and also enter all of your detailed information. Once you have entered all the information and once you have been verified, click on Done. And then your UAE Pass account will be created. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.